everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm basically just running a bunch of errands. I'm going to show you guys my errands list right now. Oh, Sweat's still here because he didn't work today. But yeah, we have a bunch of errands to run, and I'm just going to take you guys with us on our busy errand running day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up. Keep watching. I'm debating what to get at Starbucks. I've never had anything pumpkin spice, so I think I want to try something pumpkin spice. I saw someone get a pumpkin spice cold brew like 2 days ago on my Instagram stories, and I was like, I don't want to try it. Yeah, I've never had anything pumpkin spice. Who did I tell? I think I told like Karina or someone else that I've never had anything pumpkin spice. And they're like, how have you never had anything pumpkin spice? Have you?
That's
and you like it?
Yeah, that's the only thing I like about Olive, because I know that one comes around this year. Like in these.
You're so basic. You're probably gonna like be in the bathroom all day. I don't drink coffee, guys. Coffee makes my stomach hurt.
You'll shake it,
this
and it'll go back into the normal spot.
So scary. My stomach is already hurting.
It's just gonna taste like coffee.
Really? Okay, let's try it. Okay, this is what it looks like. It smells kind of gross. I personally don't like it. It tastes like... It tastes good, and then you taste the pumpkin spice, and then I don't like it. I don't know how people drink this. I mean, I guess everyone has their own taste. The pumpkin flavor just gets me like grossed out.
Really?
Yeah, try yours.
Yeah.
It's hot though, huh?
Yeah.
Does it burn me?
No. Just don't drink too much of it.
I'll say I like this. This is what?
A white chocolate mocha with the
White
2 extra shots of espresso.
Strongish. I'm not a coffee person, maybe that's why I don't like any of these, but it's a hard pass. Hard pass Starbucks, I'm sorry, pumpkin spice.
I'm probably gonna be the one drink.
You probably are. I'll let you guys know when my stomach starts hurting because it's gonna happen. Next stop, we are at the car wash. This car needs a good little washing. Okay guys, so I was inside. We came to get lunch. We usually like grab lunch and eat at the park, and then after that we're gonna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna give you guys like a little grocery haul once I get home. I'm so proud of myself. I've been working out like consistently for the past 2 weeks. I'm down a pound. Yesterday was my weigh-in, and I was down a pound, so this week I am meal prepping. And I'm super excited. I bought these really cute like glass containers for every single lunch meal. I already prepared all my snacks, so I'm really excited. I feel like my body's naturally used to just like running every day, so I've been running a mile every night. Like every single night I run a mile, and then in the mornings I try to do like a HIIT exercise or something like a quick 10-minute workout, and at night I run like my complete mile. Yeah, Josue's actually coming now. We're gonna head to the park to probably eat this food, and then we're gonna head to the grocery store. I didn't find the quinoa. I ended up going with brown rice. I'm gonna go look for that later on though. And then tomatoes, asparagus, some raspberries to snack on. And then what else did I get? This is the fridge in our garage. This is where I have all of the veggies that I'm gonna use throughout the week. We have apples, we have a little celery for our juices, mushrooms. I got this turkey beef. I don't usually eat this, but I saw a recipe with this that I'm going to try. Love this flavor. It reminds me of like vinegar. I drink vinegar every day, and I really, really genuinely like the taste of vinegar. So this one definitely reminds me of like vinegar, but with more flavoring in it. So I really like this one. This will probably last me like, I don't drink the whole bottle in a day, to be honest. But yeah, that's basically all my grocery. So I realized I hadn't done like an outro, so this is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!